10 Things to Do in Vancouver. Hello and welcome to our channel. Want to know 10 things you can do in Vancouver, Canada? Then sit back, relax and enjoy. Say hello to Canada's third largest city, Vancouver. From its historical Chinatown to its bustling Robson Street shopping districts, this cosmopolitan city has plenty of exciting things to see and do. Vancouver is a vibrant and city with something for everyone. Whether you are looking to shop till you drop, take in the sights, or do some rock climbing, there is something for everyone. Is a beautiful city located in British Columbia, Canada. It's known for its great parks and public spaces, like Granville Island or Stanley Park. There are tons of things to do here. You can ski or snowboard at Cypress Mountain, explore nature at Beaver Lake or Lynn Canyon Park, or check out the Vancouver Aquarium. And if you're looking for something exciting but relaxing, then head over to Granville Street for some shopping. The population of Vancouver is about 600,000 people, making it one of the largest cities in Canada. Where is Vancouver? It's right on the coast of the Pacific Ocean. It's bordered by Richmond on the north side and Burnaby on the south side. The best parks in Vancouver are Kitsilano Beach Park, Queen Elizabeth Park or Pacific Park, which are all close by in downtown Vancouver. The most visited attractions are Science World, Capilano Suspension Bridge Park or Granville Island Public Market, which are all easy to get to from downtown as well. What are some things you have to do when visiting Vancouver? You should go see the views from Grouse Mountain or hike along one of their many trails. Or check out Granville Island Public Market, it has tons of great food vendors inside. If you're looking for something more active, then head over to Skateland for some roller skating fun or Cypress Mountain for skiing and snowboarding during the winter months. If you're looking for some other fun things to do in Vancouver, then check out our list below. 1. Visit the aquarium at Granville Island. The aquarium at Granville Island is a great place to spend an afternoon. It's right in downtown Vancouver, so it's easy to get to by bus or car. There are lots of exhibits, including sharks, sea turtles, and octopuses. Plus there are places where you can touch some animals like starfish and frogs. There's also an area where you can look at smaller fish through microscopes or binoculars. 2. Go see a show at the Orpheum Theatre. I recommend going to see a show at the Orpheum Theatre in Vancouver. It's an amazing place with great acoustics, and the tickets are reasonably priced. The Orpheum always has something interesting on their schedule, whether it's comedy or music or dance, there's something for everyone. 3. Cycle along the seawall at Stanley Park. The seawall is an 8 km bicycle path that runs along the shores of Vancouver. It has beautiful views of the water, and it's a great place to get some exercise while enjoying nature. 4. Take a walk through Queen Elizabeth Park or Emery Barnes Park. Queen Elizabeth Park is a wonderful place to go for a walk. There are many trails through the woods that will take you by some beautiful waterfalls and lakes. It's easy to forget that you're in the middle of a big city when you're here. 5. Take a boat tour along False Creek or Granville Island Waterfront Boat Tour. The Granville Island Waterfront Boat Tour will take you around Granville Island, where you can see all the shops, restaurants and entertainment options available here. This is great if you're looking for something fun to do with family or friends. 6. Visit Science World at Telus World of Science. Science World at Telus World of Science in Vancouver is the ultimate place for kids and adults who love science, technology, and discovery. We offer fun and interactive exhibits that will leave you wondering how you ever lived without them. 7. Have dinner at one of the many restaurants along Granville Street. Granville Street is a great place for foodies. You can find anything from Vietnamese sandwiches to Italian pasta dishes. My favorite place is Bao Noodle House because they have delicious noodle bowls that are perfect for veggie lovers like me. 8. Get your nails done at one of Granville Street's many nail salons. The Nail Parlor on Granville Street is the perfect place to get your nails done in Vancouver. They offer a wide range of services including manicures, pedicures, and even acrylic nails. Their expert technicians will make sure that you're comfortable and have everything you need during your appointment. Plus, with their competitive prices, getting your nails done at the Nail Parlor won't break the bank. 9. Shop at one of Vancouver's many malls such as Pacific Centre. With over 200 stores and restaurants, there's something for everyone. Some notable shops include Amazon, Apple, Bath and Body Works, Hand, Nike, Sephora, Zara and more. 10. Enjoy some gelato from Sotto Sopra Restaurant and Bar. Sotto Sopra is a delightful place to enjoy some gelato. They have an amazing selection of flavors, and their service is always top-notch. Plus, they're located right in the heart of downtown Vancouver, so it's easy to walk around afterward. If you want to have more fun, then don't forget to check out some awesome festivals, like Pacific National Exhibition or Pride Parade. You can find everything here in this beautiful city, so make sure not to miss out on anything while visiting Vancouver. We hope you enjoyed this episode of 10 Things to Do in Vancouver. If you did, please share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.